In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump to a section on your Wix website. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to create smooth navigation for your visitors, allowing them to jump directly to specific pieces of content within your site. This could really enhance the user experience and keep your site accessible and easy to navigate. So let's dive in and see how you can set this up. First things first, you'll need to open your Wix website editor. Log into your Wix account and navigate to the site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your website layout with all the tools you need to make changes. It's a visually driven platform, so it should feel quite intuitive if you've worked with it before. Next, let's set up the jumping section feature. Find and select the button you want to use for navigation. Click on it, and you'll notice a small toolbar appears, featuring several options. Among these options is the one labeled Link. Go ahead and click it. This is where the magic begins. Now, you'll see an overlay that offers various linking options. Since we're aiming to jump to a specific section within your page, you'll want to click on Section or Anchor. Essentially, what you're doing here is telling the button it will act as a bridge between different parts of your page, allowing users to leap to content without having to scroll manually. When you choose Section or Anchor, you'll need to indicate which page you want to set the jump to. In the drop-down menu that appears, select the specific page you're editing or any other page on your site where the section is located. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct page. This will prevent any user confusion later. Moving on, it's time to decide exactly where on the page you want to guide your visitors. This section might include important information, a featured product, or any part that is particularly relevant. Carefully select your destination point from the list of anchors or sections available. Precision here is key, as it determines how seamless the user's experience will be when they navigate your site. Once you've made your choice, it's crucial to confirm all your settings. Click on the Done button to apply your changes. Confirming your selection will save your settings, ensuring that your link is active and functioning as intended. Finally, it's time to check your work. Click on Preview at the top of the Wix editor. This will allow you to experience your site as a visitor would. Click the button with the link you've just set up and ensure it takes you precisely where you intended. If everything is working as planned, congratulations! You've successfully added a jump to a section feature on your Wix website. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your site's functionality using Wix's versatile tools.